Hello everyone, welcome back to Brainy Station. Creating a daily schedule is deceptively simple on paper. You outline your tasks, slot them into specific times, and theoretically, you execute. However, as many of us have discovered, the chasm between planning and execution is wider than anticipated. Picture a typical Sunday evening. Armed with optimism and a digital planner, you meticulously lay out the week ahead. Each day is neatly segmented, each hour accounted for. Yet, as the week progresses, adherence to this plan begins to wane. Unforeseen tasks emerge, distractions abound, and the initial plan slowly unravels. So, how do we bridge the gap between planning and doing? After much trial and error, I've developed a three-tiered strategy that has transformed my approach to daily schedules, making them not just plans, but actions I consistently follow. The foundational layer is time blocking, a method where you divide your day into dedicated chunks of time, each allocated to a specific activity or task. This could include a block for your morning routine, followed by a focused work session, and then time for exercise. This approach transforms your calendar into a visual guide for your day. While time blocking is effective for many, it requires discipline. I found myself occasionally veering off these allocated blocks, especially when I didn't have my calendar continuously in view. It's easy for one task to bleed into the next block, disrupting the flow of the day. To make time blocking more effective, it's crucial to be realistic about how much time each task will take and include buffer periods for transitions between tasks. Additionally, regular reviews of your calendar throughout the day can help keep you on track. Digital tools that provide reminders or visual cues on your desktop can serve as constant prompts to stick to the allocated blocks. The second tier involves creating a tangible, weekly plan. At the week's outset, I list all significant tasks I intend to complete on a physical piece of paper. This list spans work projects, fitness goals, personal errands, and any other critical activities for the week. Writing these down commits them to reality in a way digital planners sometimes fail to do. The physicality of this list plays a pivotal role in its effectiveness. Positioned prominently by my workstation, it acts as a constant, inescapable reminder of my weekly commitments. This list doesn't afford the ease of rearranging or postponing tasks that digital planners do. Once written, the tasks become non-negotiable commitments to myself. Incorporating this method requires a moment of quiet reflection at the week's start to prioritize and commit to your most impactful tasks. This deliberate planning session helps set a clear direction for the week, reducing the temptation to deviate as the days unfold. For those of us who find sticking to a schedule particularly challenging, the third level introduces strategic alarms. Beyond the gentle nudge of a calendar notification, these are loud, insistent alarms set on your phone for critical junctures in your day. These might mark the start of your workday, reminders to take breaks, exercise, or transition to evening downtime. These alarms act as an external force, breaking through distractions and refocusing your attention on your schedule. The key to this strategy lies in its disruptiveness. Unlike a calendar pop-up that can be too easily dismissed, a blaring alarm demands attention. It serves as a physical cue to stop your current activity and move on to the next scheduled task. Setting these alarms involves identifying the critical points in your day where you're most prone to distraction or procrastination and placing a hard stop at these moments. Integrating these alarms into your routine might feel jarring at first, but over time, they can become cues that mentally prepare you for the next part of your day, reinforcing your commitment to your schedule. Franklin-Covey Planner. Incorporating the Franklin-Covey Planner system into my routine has truly transformed the way I approach daily and weekly planning. This system, with its weekly and daily planners, acts as the backbone of my scheduling, providing a clear and structured way to map out my tasks and commitments. The weekly planner allows me to get a bird's-eye view of what's ahead, helping me to prioritize and set meaningful goals. It's like laying down the framework for my week, ensuring that I'm focusing on what truly matters. Then, the daily planner comes into play, breaking down my broader weekly goals into manageable daily tasks. This level of detail keeps me grounded and focused, turning the overarching vision of my week into actionable steps I can tackle each day. It's a bit like having a roadmap for each day, guiding me through my tasks with clarity and purpose. And for those of you looking to dive deeper into this approach, I've included a link in the description to a Notion template I personally use. This digital adaptation of the Franklin Covey system combines the best of traditional planning with the convenience of modern technology, allowing for a seamless integration into your daily life. But the journey doesn't end here. Beyond these foundational levels, there's a world of personalized adjustments and enhancements that can elevate your planning to new heights. Consider the nuances of your own lifestyle, work habits, and personal preferences. Embrace flexibility within your schedule to accommodate the unforeseen. Learn to distinguish between the urgent and the important, prioritizing tasks that propel you closer to your goals. At the end of each day, take a moment to think about what you did well and where you had trouble. Use what you learned to make your plan better, to understand more, and to grow. Try to see every day not just as a list of things to do, but as a chance to get better, to learn something new, and to move forward in life. When you make your daily plan, the aim isn't just to keep busy, but to make your days better. It's about building a life that truly fits who you are and who you want to be. So, when you're setting up your tasks and planning your time, think about whether these actions are helping you move closer to the life you dream of. Let every day add up, and every task be a step that helps you paint the big picture of your life. By following a plan that's both organized and adaptable, you're doing more than just arranging your day, you're shaping your future. So, let's start this journey ready to turn our biggest dreams into our biggest achievements, with determination and a big dream in our hearts.